Ask your partner to give this 5-minute supportive stretching routine with the help of this Japanese fabric technique for your full body relaxation. Let's go. Are you ready? First of all, you just need to keep this fabric right under your neck and lie down. Perfect. So, the most important thing which we need to make sure, your body should be completely relaxed and you just need to let it go. Breathing pattern will be neutral, okay? For the better grip, you can just turn your both hands with swing with the fabric with keeping your spine arch. Otherwise, if you will keep it normal hunch, you will get pain on your lower back. So the best way is to keep your spine arch and then with a new inhalation, lift it up. 1, 2, be very gentle, keep coordinating with each other. Whenever you get pinch on your neck or any muscles, just do let me know, okay? Keep exhaling. Last 2 and 1. Now I will give you some gentle rotation. Keep your both hands on the side. Breathe in, breathe out. Is it relaxing? Keep your head down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Gradually drop your head down and pass this fabric on your armpits. Breathe in, breathe out. Now for your upper back, breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initially, you just need to lift them up, and after once they get comfortable, then you can just give gentle swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep breathing. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back, relax. Good. Similarly, now for your lower back. See, if the fabric is getting shrink, then they will feel pinch. So the best way is to give some more opening. Keep it wider so that they will not get any pinch. All okay? Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last 5. Now we are going to swing from one side to another side. I hope it is not pinching. Yeah. If it is pinching, we can keep it on our pelvic joint. Yes, this will be even better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can give more repetition if your partner needs more opening. Now, you just need to slide it bit back. Slide your body a little bit back. Yes. We are going to lock this swing with the ankle. Open your foot. After locking this swing with your ankle, you just need to again open your both hands on the side. I'm going to stand exactly right beside your head. Let it go. Swing your legs from one side to another side. There should be no resistance from your side. It's like you are just letting it go. Surrender yourself to the gravity. Feel the gentle opening and feel the stretch on your lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and gradually 1. Come back. Good. Now, with a new inhalation, gradually turn on your stomach. So lie down on your stomach. So after lying down on your stomach, you just need to open your hands on the side and just putting this fabric on your head. You need to pass your both hands from the front. Breathe in. I'm going to hold it from here. With a new inhalation, I'm going to lift you up. Stretch will be on your shoulder joints and on your neck. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1. Just let it be free. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can press your both hands right behind your head. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1, 2. Fill the opening on your lower back. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Are you able to hold it here? Let's hold it for last 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She is flexible, but you need to perform according to your level of flexibility. You should not compare with her because she is going to bend her body completely. So now we are going to stretch on our lower back, but usually everyone feels more pressure on their lungs. They feel more suffocate. So to avoid that, you just need to lock your both elbows with your rib cage. So just lock your both elbows with your rib cage, and now bend your both legs from the knees. I'm going to again lock this fabric with your ankle. Just keep it light, keep it relaxed. Breathe in, breathe out. Just let it go. 1. You need to keep coordinating with them. Just pull as much they can do. Is it okay? 2, 3, 4. Keep your elbows more closer. 5, 6. टच कर दो अपने रिब केज के साथ. 7, 8, 9, and last 10. From here you can just let it be completely loose. You can open your knees for a while, little bit, yes, so that you can bend from the lower back conveniently and more easily. Keep exhaling. 1, and just do let me know once you reach at your limit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Just let it be. Breathe in, breathe out. Now instead of pulling towards me, now I'm just going to let it move from side to side. That will give you really good relaxing stretch from your lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Gradually come back. Relax yourself. Just let it go. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Now, for a relaxing opening, you just need to turn on your one side. Pass this fabric right under from the lower back. Straight your both legs from the knees. Cover this fabric on your pelvic. Spread it. Yes. From here, just keep your legs straight. Keep your body relaxed. Take support with that one hand. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel that relaxing opening from the lower back, from the obliques, from the side belly. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, turn on the another side. सब सही है? Yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last 5. Good. Relax yourself. Lie down on your back. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Relax your complete body for a while. Just let it go, and now you can just take some rest and just feel that new freshness, lightness and relaxation in your body. So this is how you can stretch your partner with the help of this relaxing Japanese technique, with the help of fabric, and that will stretchen up every single muscles of your partner. So let's try it out and share your experience in the comment section. Thank you.